Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
In proving their resolve to achieve a new era of peace and development in the Niger Delta, the NDDC says abandoned key and signature projects will be revisited with a view to completing them as soon as possible. The Executive Director of Projects, Mr. Victor Antia, made this known during an inspection visit to the sites of abandoned NDDC projects in Okosi Village in Uraofyong, Oruku local government area of Akwa Ibom State.
As part of the renewed hope agenda of the NDDC, management of the commission went on an inspection visit to key abandoned project sites in Akwa Ibom State. Some of the sites visited include the Mboko Eyo Ima Road, Okosi Bridge, Ubodu Etebi Road in Ofong Oruku local government area. The Mboko Eyo Ima Road was awarded several years ago. It is a 21-kilometer road that connects 30 villages and traverses 3 local government areas. The project became stalled at about 70% completion stage due to paucity of funds and some other exigencies. Executive Director Projects Mr. Victor Antia, who led the team to the sites, recalled that during the just concluded retreat in Uyo, the CEO of the commission, Dr. Samuel Obuku, and Chairman of the board, Chiedu Ebie, signed a performance bond with the Ministry of Niger Delta and had directed that every key and signature projects that are ongoing in the Niger Delta region be given quick attention in order to fulfill the renewed hope agenda of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led government.
With the recent performance bond that we signed, it is a thing that we have to move from transactions to transformation. That's the new agenda in the NDDC.
The state representative of the NDDC in Akwa Ibom State, Apostle Abasie Tikang Nkono, and Engineer Benedict Upo, called for the collaboration of residents in the community to ensure the smooth delivery of the projects.
So that some of these projects can be completed, as scheduled.
When it comes to this project, whatsoever is any internal issues is settled. All we want is this development, this project. We are all working as one to achieve our result.
Residents and users of the road appreciated the commitment of the commission to complete the key road project, which they say will improve their living condition and foster a better relationship with neighboring communities.
This is only route that accessible between a Etebie Sreket and Urefonro local government. So if the NDDC can come in and do this, so we'll be glad with them.
I'm very glad if NDDC will fix this very road for us.
No doubt that the NDDC is committed to completing abandoned projects in the region within the shortest period. This, however, can only be made possible if the Commission receives the statutory funds due to it, both from the federal government and international oil companies. Also, the federal government must simplify the process for the Commission's management to timely expend monies for projects in order to guarantee their quick completion and bridge the infrastructure gap in the Niger Delta. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,